An Enso circle is drawn in a continuous gesture. Hi, Tom here. In this Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw an Enso circle in one gesture. Before you make a circle, begin by visualizing the approximate size of the circle on the page. Next, hold the pencil or brush loosely, allowing the movement to come from the arm rather than from the wrist. An Enso circle is not usually drawn slowly or corrected repeatedly. The line of the circle records a single moment of movement. As we draw the circle, notice the changes in pressure, the thickness, the speed within the line, captured within the marks that we create. Small irregularities help give the circle a natural and gestural quality. Each circle is one breath. One breath, one circle, one time. Rather than aiming for a perfect geometric circle, we can focus on rhythm, balance, and movement. You could practice drawing the circles several times, allowing each version to develop differently. For my drawing, I used a Japanese brush and some ink, but you could use anything that you have. Recently, I used the Enso circle as part of the cover image for my new novel, The Gestural Line. The novel explores observation, movement, and the desire for creativity. If you'd like to know more about my book, I have added information in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.